Hello dear students, so welcome to this EOT revision term 1. Okay, so let us have a quick revision of this EOT. So first we are going to start with unit rates. So unit rate means here they have given you about 8 questions, all are with the same pattern. So I will explain you one or two, the remaining you try it. Okay, so here in the first one they asked a truck driver drove 48 miles in 45 minutes. At this rate, how many miles can the truck driver drive in 1 hour? 1 hour means they asked you to find the unit rate. So 48 miles in 45 minutes. So how many miles in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So you can do cross multiplication or you can use this method. Otherwise, you can find in 1 minute how many miles, then multiply that with the 60. So there are many options. Any option which one you feel easy means that you can use. So here 45 minutes means 3 over 4 hours. We converted like that. Then 48 divided by 3 over 4. Then do the division and the multiplication with the fraction. Then finally you will get 64 miles per hour. Okay, so this is one method. Otherwise you can do the cross multiplication way. Cross multiplication way means what you can do is 48, this 48 miles in 45 minutes, then how many miles in 60 minutes? 60 minutes means 1 hour. Then do cross multiplication and define. Like that also you can do. So that's up to you. So when you do this cross multiplication method, make sure that your answer is correct. Okay, double check and 2 or 3 times you can check. Be very careful about the calculation and make the answer is correct or not. If your answer is correct, you will get full mark. Okay, so this also the same way. You see Russell runs 9 over 10 miles in 5 minutes. So in 1 minute how much? So what to do? 9 over 10 divided by 5. Okay, divided by 5 means you can multiply with the reciprocal of 5. Okay, so reciprocal of 5 means this is 9 over 10 multiplied by 5 means 5 over 1. Reciprocal of 5 over 1 is 1 over 5. Then do the calculation. So in this question they can give you with the fractions also. So these two are same way. So try it, and if you have any doubt means ask me. Okay, this is the same thing. Unit rate, to find the unit rate, here they have given you with the fraction. You see here 5 inches in 3 over 4 months. Okay, so in 1 month how much? So cross multiplication method or this division method, anything you can use, that's up to you. And here they have given you in feet. Okay, so the inch to feet conversion also there, that's they already gave you with the question, so you can use that. So the same way, try these things and find the answer. Check your answer is correct or not. If you have any doubt means cross check with this, or you can contact me. Here you see another one is about the proportion relationship. Okay, finding the proportion. So here you see a salad dressing was for 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar. Okay, so 3 part oil, 1 part vinegar. So we will have two headings, oil and vinegar. So this oil is 3 parts, vinegar is 1 part. Then you see 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 6 tablespoons of oil makes her salad dressing. Okay, so we have to check whether it is proportional or not. So you see here, this is the first one, 3 and 1. The second one, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 6 tablespoons of oil. So 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of oil. So this one you cross multiply and check. You see 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. So both multiplication is same number means 6 and 6. So in that case this is proportional. If it is not same mean it is non-proportional. So here the same way you see this yellow and red, these are the two headings. You see 2 parts of yellow, 3 parts of red, 2 parts of yellow, 3 parts of red, and 3 cups of yellow, 4 cups of red, 3 cups of yellow, 4 cups of red. So give these two heading and post the values correctly. Then multiply 2 times 4, this is 8. 3 times 3, this is 9. You see here one side we got 8, another side we got 9. So in that case, this is not proportional. Or by dividing this also you can do, that's up to you. Okay, different method you can use. Any method, the method is not so important when you find the final answer, especially when you are doing this electronic examination. But in the case of writing, there may be. Okay, so in that case of writing, make sure that your answer is correct. So for that, double check, or 3 or 4 times you can check it. Okay, so this is how you have to proceed with the other questions also. Just try it and find whether your answer comes the same or not. Here also this is same thing, finding whether proportional or non-proportional. Here they have given you 6 options. Okay, in the 6, which are proportional or not proportional. This is the thing they asked you. So here in this question they have given one part, and 2 part. So 1, 1, 2. So 1:1:2. So check each one. Which one comes 1:1:2 means that will be the answer. The remaining will be incorrect. So look here. Here they have asked you to draw the graph. So the table is given there. So the first one 0, 0. Yes, 0, 0. Then 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4. 2, 8. 2, 8. 3, 12. 3, 12. Yeah. 4, 16. 4, 16. So they asked you whether this is this proportional relationship. In this graph also they may ask you whether it is proportional relationship or not. So to find or to identify the graph is proportional or not, for that there are some criteria. Okay, first thing is pass through the origin. Pass through the origin means 0. You see this graph is passing through origin. At the same time this graph is not passing through origin. This is passing through this 0, 40. Okay, almost like 0, 0, 40. Second one is it must be a straight line. Yeah, this is a straight line. This also straight line. In these questions, the first one is proportional relationship. This is not a proportional relationship. So if they give you a graph, there are 2 conditions to satisfy proportional relationship. One is it must pass through 0, 0. Second one, it should be a straight line. If these 2 things are satisfying or correct, means this is a proportional relationship. The other one won't be a proportional relationship. This also same. Here they have given you this is proportional relationship, and you have to find the constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality means unit rate, nothing else. In 1, how much? That is constant of proportionality. So here you see the clear point. This is not a clear point. This 230. This is a clear point. Okay, so better always choose clear point. Or here you can use this one 460. Okay, this is a clear point coordinate. So this one you can use 30 divided by 2, 15, or you can use 60 divided by 4, then also you'll get 15. So that will be the constant of proportionality. Here also same way, you see 2, 4, that will be easier, or you can take 4, 8, that also easier. So 8/4, that will be 2. 2 will be the constant of proportionality. Now here you see the same way, without graph they have given you, they asked you to find the constant of proportionality. So here you see y equal to 4.75x. They have given you the equation. Okay, the sentence whatever it is, just read it. But the important thing is y equal to 4.75x, which means 4.75 is the constant of proportionality. Okay, and you see there is another thing. Liv earns this much dollar for every 2 bracelets she sells. So one bracelet cost 4.75. That is the meaning. Okay, y equal to 4.75x means when x equal to 1, how much is y? That is the thing. Okay, so for each bracelet 4.75 is the cost. This also same thing. They have given you this y equal to 8.5x, which means constant of proportionality is 8.5. Then the question is John ran 3 miles in 25.5 minutes, which means 25.5 divided by 3, that is 8.5. Okay, so which means John takes 8.5 minutes to run 1 mile or each miles. So this also the same way. Try it and do it. This is, you see, here you can use this proportionality. That means you see hotel room for 2 nights that cost 210. So for 2 nights it is 210. Then the hotel room tax rate in the city is 12%. What is the total cost of the hotel room? So here you can find the 12% of 210. Okay, or 210 means here 2 nights. That's the thing they asked you. So either you can do like that, otherwise for each room you can find it, and for 2 rooms identify the total cost. So see here what we did is, you see, 12% of this 210, that you can find it, then you can add both. Okay, 25.5. So when you find this 12% of 100 means this way also you can do. That will be the easiest way. 12 percentage of 210. 210. Okay, this way also you can find it. So find this, you will get 25.2. Then to find the total cost, 210 plus 25.2, add both, then you will get the total cost for both rooms. Okay, otherwise you can do this cross multiplication method. Which one is easy means that you can do. This also the same way. You see, you have to find the 10.5% of 325. Okay, 10.5% of 325, then add both. You will get 34.13, and 325 plus 34.13, add together you will get 359.13. This question also the same way. Either you use this method or find percentage separately, then find the total cost separately. Which one is easy means that you can follow. Here you see, find the this simple interest. Simple interest means the formula you have to know, that you have to by heart, that simple interest is I equal to P R T. Okay, P means principal amount, R means rate of interest, T means time period. Okay, time period means it must be in year, 1 year or 2 years, something like that. Sometimes they will give you in months to confuse you. So here you see I equal to PRT. P is 530. 6% means 6 over 100. 1 year means 1. Multiply all, you will get the interest. Here you see I equal to P is 1200. R is 3.5. So 3.5% means 3.5 over 100 times 2 years. 2 years means just 2. Multiply all. You can cancel the zeros. Easy, you can find it. Then you will get the interest. So be careful. This is a interest. Sometimes they will ask you the total amount. If the total amount means you have to add 1200 plus 84. Okay. So according to question, it will change. So be careful about. And in this case, you see, they have given you in sentence I equal to PRT, put the values and calculate. This also the same way, 2 years. So sometime they will give you with a month also. So see here in this question, they have given you 6 months. Okay, so 6 months means it is 6 over 12. Okay, 6 months mean half year, or 6 over 12 years. So here I is P, R, T means you can use half or you can use 6 over 12. Instead of this you can write 6 over 12, then also you can find it. Okay, so in the case of months, be careful, use this 12. Here you see in this question they have given you 21 month, which means 21 over 12. Okay, this instead of T you have to write 21 over 12. and do the calculation. So that's about finding simple interest. Now you see this one. This is to add integers. Adding integer means you see minus 3 and minus 8. So when you add two negative numbers, what you have to do is put negative and add the numbers. Okay, so negative, negative. So negative 3 plus 8 is 11. Here the same way, both are negative numbers. So minus, minus. So answer will be minus 11 plus 13 is 24. All these questions are same way you have to do. So in this there's a difference. This 3 and 4, you can see minus 24 plus 14. Okay, so this is a negative number, this is a positive number. So when you add one negative and positive, so which one have the sign that you have to check? Here 28 is there, 14 is there. So 28 is the biggest number, so biggest number have negative. So put the negative, then subtract. Okay, 28 minus 14, you'll get 14. So here these two add together, just like the first question, you'll get minus 32 plus 15. Plus 15 means now the pattern changed. This is negative number, positive number. So which is the biggest number, 15 or 32? So 32 is the biggest number. So put that sign, negative, then subtract both, you'll get 17. So this is how you had to proceed. Here they have given you in word format, okay, a sentence. Just read the sentence and identify the numbers, then add or subtract. What are the things that you can do? This also pattern is same question. One thing I will tell you, you see account balance in the beginning is 20. So account balance is beginning at 20 means that is positive 20. His ending balance is 0. Ending balance is 0 means he already spent this 20 dirham. So you had 20 dirham or $20, you spent $20, so that became 0. So how we will mention that is minus 20. Okay, 20 plus minus 20 is 0. This will be like that, or that actually that is 20 minus 20, but to introduce the integer we are using this minus 20. Okay, this also same, this also same way. Read the sentence and do it. Check whether you are getting the same answer or not. See here, this also same repetition, same lesson. So here you see in 20 seconds a roller coaster goes up 100 meter. Okay, then 72 meter, then 48 meter, but there is up and downs. See, goes up, up means that is positive. This is the thing you have to know. Then up 100 meter, then down 72. Down means that is minus. Then back up 48. So up means plus. Okay, so this is these are the things you had to identify from the question. 100, that's positive, 72 negative, 48 positive. Okay, so up, everything up means that is positive, down means negative. Then add all 100 and minus 72, you can do like this, or 100 and 42, you can add 148, then subtract 72. So whatever it is, you will get 76. This also same way. Okay, a bank account with 80, withdraw means minus. Okay, starting with a positive, withdraw 35, then deposit means positive. So use the sign like that, then add or subtract, that's up to you. Here subtraction means change the sign and add. So 9 minus negative 2. So 9 minus negative 2 means, I told you, after this minus means change the sign to positive, and this also change the sign. Okay, change the sign and add. Here also change the sign. This is negative, so make it to positive, means subtraction. 10 was a positive number, make it into negative and add together. So subtraction means change the sign and add. Okay, everything is same question repetition. So be careful about this, doing that. Cross checking is very important. It seems very simple, but cross checking is important. Here they have given you with the A and B, A minus B, find A minus B or evaluate A minus B. A is given the 10, B is given the minus 7. So 10 minus negative 7. So 10 minus negative 7 means here change the sign. In this also change the sign and add. This is the procedure. Look here. Percent of change. To find the percentage of change, whether it is increasing or decreasing, this is the thing they asked you. So 8 feet to 10 feet. 8 to 10 means of course it is increasing, right? 8 to 10 means how much increased? 2 increased. So 2 over 8 times 100. So this is the base. This is the increased one. So increased one or decreased one we doesn't need. The base we need. So 8 feet increased to 10. So the difference is 2. 2 over 8 times 100. So 25 percentage. Here 62 to 31. You see 62 become 31 means that is decreasing. Percentage decreasing. So the difference is 31 over 62 times 100, which means 50 percentage. Another one 136 to 85. You see 136 to 85 means decreasing. Okay, so that is 51. That's the difference. Base is 136 times 100. So you will get a decimal 37.5 percentage. So this also the same way. You see old is 250, new is 330. What is the difference? Old to new, that is 80, and the base is old. From old it changed it to new. Okay, so 80 over 250 times 100, 32 percentage. So everything is same. We did this in the textbook. Just refer the textbook, or you can check this also. Which method or which steps is easy for you means just do that way. Only one thing I'm repeatedly telling you is cross check. After finding the answer, go back to the question and cross check. See here, at a garage sale, Petra priced her scooter for 15.50. Okay, she ended up selling it for 10.75. So this is a expected price. This is the actual price. Okay, so what you can do is you can subtract these two. Old one is 15.50, new one is 10.75. Subtract both. Okay, this is decreasing because 10.5 decreased to 10.75. This way or the other way you can do. Here they used integers, but 15.5 minus 10.75, subtract the other way. Then the old price. Okay, that means the expected price 15.50. So from that find it. So when you subtract, you will get when you subtract and divide, you will get 30.6 percentage. Okay, do the calculation, you will get 30.6 percentage. Now this also the same way, 56.6, here 9.3 percentage. Okay, so when these kind of things, identify old and new. You see here with the years they have given you. So 2015 will be the old one, 2016 will be the new one. So this must be the base. Here you see for each situation complete the table given. Okay, they have given you tables. And does the situation represent a proportion relationship? So here you see 1 is 2.5. The cost of school lunch is 2.50. So for one lunch 2.5, 2 means 5, 3 means 7.5, 4 means 10. So each one you check, it is increasing 2.5. Here increasing 1, 1, 1 like that. So in that case it is proportional. Otherwise you can do 2.5 divided by 1, 5 divided by 2. Here each case you have to get the same one, 2.5. 7.5 divided by 3, then this one 2.5. 10 divided by 4, each case same, which means proportional. This also the same way, divide like this, 8 over 12, 16 over 24, 24 over 36. Find everything you will get 3.2, 3.2. So that is proportional. But in this case, you see, Fonseca rents popcorn machines for 20 per hour in addition to hourly charge. There is a rental of 35. So 20 is the hourly charge, and in addition to that rental fee of 35. So 35 plus 20, that will be the first one. Then 35 plus 20 plus 20. We are using 2 hours. For 1 hour 20. Okay. For 1 hour 20. So second hour also 20. Plus 35 is rental. So 20 plus 20 plus 35, like that you will get 75. Another one 95. Another one 115. Now you check this 55 divided by 1. First one. Second one 75 divided by 2. You will get 37.5. You see, the first division you got 55. Second division you got 37.5, which means non-proportional. No need to do the other divisions. If two values, when you find two values, if there are different means, okay, directly you can write they are not proportional. This also the same way proceed, non-proportional. Look at this constant of proportionality to find. Okay, so 12.50 for 25 games, 17.50 for 35 games. Okay, so what you can do is both divide 25 over 12.5, 35 over 17.50. Both case you are getting 2. Okay, so both are 2 means this is proportional, and the constant of proportionality is 2. So when you find constant of proportionality, both you have to check, because sometimes this will be non-proportional. Okay, in that case there won't be constant of proportionality. Here also the same way, 40 divided by 70, 28 divided by 49. So both case you are getting 4 over 7, 4 over 7. So that is the constant of proportionality. Here also same way, 9.3 divided by 3. Okay, 18.6 divided by 6. Like that you can do. 3.1 is the constant of proportionality. See here, evaluating integers. Here they have given you x, y, z square. Okay, so x is -2, y is 7, z is -4. So be careful about this negative number squaring. So here x -2, y 7, z square means -4 square. So -4 square means including this negative. Okay, so identify all this is -2 times 7 is -14, -4 square is 16. Okay, -4 square means it is like that. -4 square means -4 times -4. Negative and negative, positive. Don't write -16 to be wrong. Okay, so negative and negative means positive. 4 times 4, 16. Then multiply, you will get -224. This also the same way. A square is 3 square, b, c, put everything and multiply, you will get the answer. So these also given in the same way in words. Here they have you 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 28 days. Each week there are 7 days. So 4 weeks means 4 times 7, 28 days. So -4 into 28 minus 112. This also same way do it. See here, this is division. So in this division rules, division and multiplication, same rule. If both are same number, positive. If both are different number, it will be negative. Okay, so positive means positive, negative and negative means positive, even if you do addition, this multiplication or division. The addition and subtraction, it is a different rule. If one is positive and another one is negative, it will be negative. So here 22 divided by -2. So both are different sign. So negative. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Here also negative number, positive number. So answer will be negative. 110 divided by 11 is -10. Here you see this question, both are negative number. Both are negative means to be positive. So negative divided by negative is positive. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So this is how you have to do. In this question, they have given you m, n, p, etc. M divided by n means put the values. M is -32, n is 2, and divide, you will get -16. The same way, the other things also. This is also addition, subtraction, all these things with the decimals. So what you can do is -2.45 minus negative 3.5. So in this case, we did before without decimal, change the sign. So that negative, make it into positive. This one also change the sign. So this also positive. Then add or subtract whatever the things it is means do. So here one negative number, so this changed into positive, so you have to subtract. Okay, here the same way, subtract negative number. Okay, so change the sign to positive, this also will be positive, then subtract. Here you see this is positive number, minus 2.8, so this will be, change the sign, positive, positive, then you have to add both. So this way do all the questions. There will be careful, there will be fractions, mixed fractions, there can be decimals, everything would be there, so be careful about that. This is multiplying integers. Multiplying integers means we did just now, same sign means it to be positive, different sign means it to be negative. So here 4 multiplied by negative 7, it will be minus 28. Here minus 14 times 5, which means minus 17. This also positive number, negative number. See here in this question number 4, both are negative numbers. So answer will be positive. 6 and 8 multiply 48. So the same way do all. There will be some question there will be with the two numbers. So what you can do means you can multiply first two number in the answer. For example, in this case, if you multiply these two, you will get 7 times minus 5. This is minus 35. Then multiply with the 4, you will get minus 40. Otherwise, in simple way, you can do 4 and minus 5. You multiply. So minus 20. Minus 20 you multiply with the 7, minus 140. So that's up to you which method or which easy way to choose. So the same way, multiply all and identify the answer. This also, I'm repeating, double check, especially sign. If sign, if you didn't put negative, means it is problem. Okay, instead of negative 20, if you write simply 20, okay, it is 20, but mathematically negative 20 and 20 are completely different. They are both are different numbers. It looks same but different number, so you won't get any mark in that. So be careful and double check. This is integer operation. Integer operation means there will be two or more than two operations. So here this is multiplication and addition. So when you multiply this minus 30, then add negative 9 or subtract 9. That's both are same. Minus 39. Here you see division is the minus 36 divided by 9. So minus 4 plus minus 7. So that also change the sign and add, or directly you can subtract. Any method you can use. Be careful. Minus 11 will be the answer. The same way, try to do the other questions. See here, this is each one to identify terminating number or non-terminating number. So divide it. If it ends completely, that means the division is up to 0, means it is terminating decimal. 3 over 4. When you divide, normal division. Okay, normal division you do. That means 3 divided by 4. This way. Okay, just like we did in the grade 2, grade 3, 4 divided by 3. Okay, divide, you will get the number. Here negative is the, so in the answer don't forget to put the negative. 0.75, so it is terminating number. So when you divide this will be 0.222, like that it will continue. You can see this bar notation means that number is repeating. Okay, a line at the top of the number means it is repeating. So this is a non-terminating number, or we can say repeating number. Okay, here 0.83 with the negative, 3 is repeating. Okay, which means 0.833333, like that it will repeat. So this is also non-terminating decimal. So everything try dividing and identify whether it is repeating number or terminating number. So instead of repeating, they may say this word, non-terminating number. See here, divide this. So this kind of division we did in grade 5, grade 6, all this in fraction, division, multiplication. So they are saying the same thing, but only the difference is with integer notation. That means here one is negative number, other one is positive number. So when you divide this means you have to multiply with the reciprocal. So minus 6 over 7, first fraction is same. Second fraction 3 over 14, write into 14 over 3. So this division you change into multiplication. 3 over 14 means 14 over 3. Then you can cancel this 7 one time, 14 two times, both number I divide with the 7. Then 6 and 3 both number you can divide by 3. So this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Okay, so 2 times 2 with the negative, minus 4 will be the answer. In this also 3 over 4 with the negative, you division change it to multiplication. 1 over 2 with the negative. 1 over 2 you can write 2 over 1 with the negative. And now you multiply signs, minus and minus be plus. Then this 2, this 4 and 2 both you can divide by 2. So when you divide this with 2, 1. When you divide with 2, 2. So it will be 3 over 2 means 1 over 2 or 1 and a half. Anyway, means the simplest way you write it. Okay, or 1.5 also you can write if it is a perfect decimal. So the same thing, everything you have to do the same way. This mixed fraction you have to change it into normal fraction. That's the only thing. That means when you do this means 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 over 2. Here 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 5, 17 over 6. Like that you have to change it. Then the same kind of repetition will come. So that's about this revision part. So this is a quick revision. Just go through the questions and try to solve yourself. If you have any doubt means contact me. I will give you the further explanation if you need. Okay, so wish you all the best. And the remaining things we will do later. Thank you so much for being here.